What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be opening up some mail that was sent to me to my P.O. box from a couple of different viewers of mine, those who watch my channel and were nice enough, kind enough to send me something. I'm going to be opening it up. May or may not have a little bit of silver in there. We're going to get into it momentarily, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Brand new video over there, go check it out. The link will be in the description. And if you want to help support the channel by getting some DYDSS merchandise, of course we have some precious metal themed t-shirts and hoodies which are up for grabs, along with a ton of other products, t-shirts, hoodies, even stickers, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations. Of course, the recently released Kraken Stackin' t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, and coffee mug inspired by the beautiful 2-ounce silver Kraken coin. And the brand new, just dropped the other day, DYDSS 3/9 Fine tally marks available in 4 different colors. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance, it's more than appreciated. But today, I got a nice little notification from the bank saying that my savings account was closed, which is not really that big of a deal because I kept a grand total of $0.00 in it anyway, so it didn't really matter to me. So my initial response was, oh no, what am I going to do? Got in the car, and I was going to head to the bank to straighten things out, but then I thought, screw it, I don't care. And I went past the bank, stopped at the P.O. box, and surprise, surprise, I got a couple different letters and a package. So we're going to open these things up. I'm going to go in this order: 1, 2, and 3. I've already taken a peek inside because I wanted to make sure I knew what I was going to be putting on camera. But this one right here, this is coming from Joseph. Thank you very much, Joseph. Joseph has been telling me for the last couple of days, check the P.O. box.
Do it! Just do it! Do it!
I finally got a chance to do so. Open carefully. In this envelope, Joseph sent me, I think it's called LokSak or LokSak, and from a distance it looks just like a simple Ziploc bag, but this is actually a brand that he's been telling me about for the longest time, and it's similar to a Ziploc bag, but it's actually incredibly thick, and there's a letter that was inside as well saying these bags are waterproof, element and weatherproof, and even humidity resistant. That's really cool. That'll really come in handy. And by the way, this might sound like a very random thing to send me, but coincidentally, I've been meaning to make a bug out bag video, so that will be coming soon, and this will be added. So first of all, thank you for sending this my way. Put whatever you want in it. So yeah, you could put silver in it, you can put paper in it, you could put really whatever you want in here as long as it fits. And at the bottom it says, check them out though, great products for your phones, laptops, medical kits. I've been investing in these for years. Enjoy, don't you dare stop streaming. Thank you very much, Joseph. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Thank you multiplied by 999. So this is pretty cool, and I'm absolutely going to be using this, and I know exactly what to do with this, and it's going to make for a really interesting bug out bag video, as everyone knows. I pretty much refuse to bug out. Ideally, I would rather bug in, but I know that so long as I have 4 walls surrounding me and a roof over my head, I can bug in. But worst case scenario, if the house is on fire or flooding or something like that, you know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Sometimes you got to bug out, and I think this is going to be a really cool addition to my bug out bag. I know exactly what's going to be going in here, and I'm going to be doing that video very, very soon. Thank you very much, Joseph. Next on the list is going to be that package right here. This, unfortunately, did not have a return address. Well, it did have a return address, but it was shipped to my P.O. box address, and the return address is also my P.O. box address. So I have no idea who to thank. Whoever sent this my way, I really appreciate it. Let's take a look inside. Check this out. It's a silver coffee mug. Look at that. I don't know if you can actually tell. It might look gray or white on camera, but check it. Look at this. That is silver. AG 47 Plata, which is how you say silver in Spanish and potentially other languages. Really cool. And on the other side, 107.8682. I have zero idea who sent this my way, but I'm grateful, thankful, and appreciative. This is really cool. I've only drank coffee 3 times in my life, but you better believe I'll be drinking Berkey water out of this thing during my live streams. I don't know who sent this my way. There was no note. There was nothing else other than the bubble wrap. There was no return address, so I don't know if that was unintentional or if they wanted to remain anonymous. I don't exactly know, but if you did send this my way, I would like to know who to thank. But regardless, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. This thing will be used. Not for coffee, but for Berkey water, 1000%, or 3 nines fine percent. Thank you very much. And now finally, we have this envelope right here. I'm gonna be kind of careful because I know who it's from, but their name is not what they go by on the internet. So I will not be showing it off entirely, at least not the letter or the envelope. But straight away, it's a thank you card. But on the inside, it gets pretty cool. Let me open this bad boy up. Came with a letter, which I'll read in a second. Came with some stickers, which I'll show off as well. And it came with something pretty shiny. So first things first, let me read the letter. It says, Mykie, here are a few 10th ounce silver rounds. You are always saying you don't buy fractional silver, but at these prices / premiums, why not? Love the YouTube channel, man. I watch every day. Thanks for all the free entertainment. From, I'm going to skip over your name because I know it's not what you go by. And then P.S. If you have a sticker, please send me one.
Do it!
Will do. Will do. Thank you very much for the letter. Now let's show off what else came with it. We'll get to that momentarily. First things first, got to give a shout out to Silver Switch. I'm sure everyone's seen this icon before in the YouTube comment section or in the live streams. Always tuning in, showing his support. I really appreciate that. Sent 3 stickers my way, a little one, a big one. And oh, this is a magnet. Oh, no kidding. Oh, wow, that's really cool. So a miniature sticker, a magnet, and this is a sticker. Silver Switch 176. Awesome. Thank you very much for sending this my way. Grateful, thankful, and appreciative. You in no way, shape, or form had to do that, but you chose to. And for that, I thank you. Thank you very much. Some stickers. But now, what everyone is probably most excited about. They're like,
Alright, you showed the stickers. Let's get to the silver.
let me take them off the card. I don't want to show your name if you don't want it to be shown. Got it. Okay, so we have some 10th ounce silver rounds. I'll put them on screen as I'm taking the tape off of the back. Let me zoom in. There's 1, 2, 3. Check that out. Thank you very much for sending these my way. Now let's take a closer look. This, I'm gonna be honest, probably gonna end up being my favorite of the 3. Little silver buffalo round, 1/10 of a troy ounce. A piece of silver or a denomination of silver that I do not own. With the Native American profile. Next up, ooh, look at that. Liberty. Golden State Mint. In God we trust. Look at that right there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Bald eagle. And third, I don't remember how to pronounce the name.
Nefertiti.
I know what this is, just don't remember all of the details. I will absolutely look into it and get back to you on that. Like an Egyptian design. Very cool. Thank you very much for sending this my way. Again, you in no way, shape, or form had to do that, but you chose to, and for that I'm grateful, thankful, and appreciative. That goes for all 3 of you. Silver Switch 176, Joseph, and whoever ended up sending this my way. Thank you. Awesome stuff. Really cool. I'm gonna get my use out of this stuff. It's pretty cool because all 3 make up the 3 different things that I primarily do here on YouTube. I can use the Lok bags. I believe that's how it's pronounced. Oh, and it's also, by the way, leak-proof / airtight seal. I believe it's pronounced LokSak. That's going to come in handy because not only do I stack silver and gold, but I do a little bit of prepping as well. Not just financial prepping. I do have the bug out bags. I do have plenty of tools and equipment that I will be trying to show off in a new prepping video. So that's where this will come in handy. Joseph, again, thank you very much for sending this my way. Whoever ended up sending me the mug, this will be used on my live streams. Thank you very much for sending this my way. And third, I can absolutely make a completely separate video about fractional silver rounds. I have been talking about generic silver as of lately. Silver rounds and bars. The only fractional silver, or fractional pure silver, I can say that I have, would be the half troy ounce silver sunshine bar in this little bag of 1 gram silver bars that my cousin gave me as a Christmas present. I do not own any 10th ounce silver rounds, and it really showcases the size difference if you were to compare this to a 10th ounce gold coin. But I'm going to do that in a separate video. Once again, everyone who sent me something, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Really cool of you guys to do. Some stickers. There we go. It's all in frame. Thank you very much, everybody. I appreciate it. In case anybody is interested in joining the Precious Metals VIP Club, it's where I can do things on my terms, not on YouTube's terms, my terms. Hosting privately held live streams, smaller number of people attending, which means I can read and respond to more people in real time. You can get year-round discounts, personalized promo codes. You can get access to giveaways. You can get a shout-out. You can get a bunch of stuff going on. And you can watch all the YouTube videos commercial-free. If you want to join the Precious Metals VIP club, you are invited. I'd be happy to have you. It'll be the first link in the description.
Just do it!
And if you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. If you guys like me, make sure to subscribe. New videos every single day, 365 days a year. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Brand new video over there. Go check it out. The link will be in the description. Trying really hard to hit 2,000 subscribers. We just hit 1,000. I appreciate that. And if you want to help support the channel in the biggest possible way, please consider getting yourself some DYDSS merchandise. Of course, we have some precious metal themed t-shirts and hoodies which are up for grabs, along with a ton of other products, t-shirts, hoodies, even stickers, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations. Of course, we have the recently released Kraken Stackin' t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, and coffee mug, inspired by the beautiful 2-ounce silver Kraken coin. And of course, the brand new DYDSS 3 9s Fine tally marks, available in 4 different colors, t-shirts, hoodie, stickers, and coffee mugs. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. Don't forget to use the code Labor Day for a 15% discount. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. And again, once more, thank you everybody who sent something my way. Everybody who's tuning in and watching right now. Which are you most excited about? A prepping bug out bag type of video? A type of video where I'm reviewing 10th ounce silver rounds, or maybe comparing them to 10th ounce pieces of gold? Or the live streams where Berkey water will absolutely be consumed from this brand new silver coffee mug? Let me know in the comments section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace. And thanks again.
Just do it!